What's up, guys? Beagler Outdoors. Got another video here for you. So, problem I have is whenever I want to carry my chainsaw, which I'll get over here. And I got multiple chainsaws, but this one right here, I want to find some way to hold this on the tractor, because what I'm always doing is putting it in the bucket, dropping it, or it's falling off somewhere. So put that down real fast. So I got this product called the Saw Boss. Now, one of the original products is called a Saw Haul. It mounts on here and comes down, and it jiggles a little too much. So we got this Saw Boss. Let's unwrap it and let's see what we got inside. So first off, they gave us a U-bolt. Okay, and deer feet are going off behind me. And supposedly this U-bolt is supposed to fit in there, which it does. So I'll put the U-bolt aside for now. All right. And we have the piece that holds the saw. This is the Saw Boss, okay? It mounts on there and the saw slides right in here. But let's get to the pieces so we can mount this on. Looks like I got a giant deli sandwich in here. So we'll take this all off. All right. So this is the piece that mounts the scabbard on, and it has a pin. Now with this system, you can buy, instead of having your chainsaw piece on there, which mounts on like that, they make toolboxes, stuff that mount on here, okay? So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna get this mounted on here, and see, the thing is, I don't think there's room because of this. This is what I was worried about. I was worried about that pin right there, and that's gonna be a problem. That's gonna be a problem right there, because that pin is in the way, and I don't think I can turn it at all. Well, it might work. Let's bolt it up and see what we can do here. All right, so we'll grab the U-bolt first. Got the U-bolt right here. And let's see if this thing actually gets in the way. I don't think it will, but we'll see. So you put that behind it, get down, and you get this on here. And, oh man. I don't know. You're not gonna be able to get the damn, looks like we're not gonna be able to get the loader off if we had to without bolting this thing. I mean, I don't really take my loader off anyway, so I don't think it matters, but you know, it's gonna have to fit. Can't go like that. It's gotta go like this. It's gotta mount about like that. And it's not flat, it's not sitting on anything flat, and I don't think I can go below it. Can't go below it. Now it's gonna have to go, I'm guessing, like that. I don't know if the saw is gonna, well, I guess a little bit of trial and error. Let's get these bolted on here. Let's see what size bolt we need here. All right, looks like it's a 3/4. All right, Get that started in there. See if I got a deeper well 3/4. All right, now let's see. I gotta make it kind of even. Well, that's not sitting straight because of that damn bump thing on there. That's kind of pissed me off a bit. Let's raise it up some more. If I kind of go like that, so that thing's right in the center. That's on. That's on pretty tight. Now let's see if this beauty right here fits on there good without hitting nothing. And it does. I'll be damned. Huh. Fits pretty good. So as you can see, we got that mounted on pretty good. It wraps right around the side right there. And what we'll do now, we'll see if our saw fits. So we'll flip this around, zoom out a bit. All right, let's see how good the saw fits on there. Let me fix this camera. Ooh, it's hot out here. Let's see how good the saw fits on there. There it is. That's an MS271 Farm Boss. So it's one of the bigger ones, and you could fit up to as long as you don't hit your tire. But I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty sturdy. And then you put the pin in to hold it in place, which is right here after if you want to change them out. There you go. That's not going nowhere. I mean, I kind of wish it was a little bit tighter. Or the bolt was on top. Probably got to put a shim in back of that or something, but it's kind of how it fits, and it's on there pretty good. So I'm going to take the saw off real quick. All right. Put this back in my buggy. So basically what this is good for, you know, you have it to hold your saw, but you could take this off, and they make other implements that attach right onto here. Toolboxes, chain boxes. But I mean, it seems really sturdy. Probably gonna put a metal shim in the back of it, because as you can see, I'll show you guys right here. On this tractor, it's got, see, it's got that ball in there. And if you ever want to take off the loader, you're probably gonna have to take this off to get the loader out. But it's not too flat. I'm probably gonna put a shim in here. I mean, it's rock solid, it ain't going nowhere. But I'm probably gonna put a metal shim in here to hold it tight. But that's pretty much the Saw Boss. You could look up Saw Hall, it's another company. There'll be a link in the description to the Saw Boss where you can buy it directly. I mean, it holds on, it's really good, made well, holds on really well. And get this camera back on the mount here. Whew, it's hot, I'm sweating. Yeah, so if you're looking for a good way to move your chainsaw around, I would definitely recommend a Saw Boss. I kind of wish I had a shim back there, but it's kind of resting a little high. I might lower it down a bit, but looks like it's gonna work to me. Sorry, I'm all hot, man. So that is the Saw Boss. If you want it, link is in the description. There'll be more videos coming up. Sorry I've been away for a while, but stay tuned for more videos. There'll be an in-depth video on the tractor too. Big Outdoors, out.